Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my dedicated channel to my ongoing beginner's journey and discovery of new watches. So I'm not an expert. I'm not a horology master. This is just me documenting my, ongoing, collection. Now for today's episode, I will be talking about my latest Seiko acquisition. When it comes to Seiko, one of my favorite watches is the Seiko Sumo. I love the size, I love the build, I love the movement, and it just fits my wrist perfectly. And in today's episode, we have the Seiko Sumo PADI. Let's check it out. Now, to those who don't know, PADI is exclusive to Seiko when it comes to partnerships. And they are the leading diving education organization in the world, which is kind of awesome considering how a lot of the history that Seiko has, specifically with diver watches. Now, I do have several Seiko Sumos in my collection. You probably have seen them in the video, and I just really am fascinated with them because they're a workhorse, they're reliable, they look good, and they just feel amazing on wrist. Now, to those who are new to Seiko, or if you're wondering why it's called the Sumo, it's primarily because of two things. Number one, it's the chunkier build, kind of like a chunky sumo wrestler. And number two is a 12 o'clock marker that you see over here, which resembles the garment of sumo wrestlers when they, wrestle. Now, the official name of this watch is the SPB181J1. And as you guys can see here on the face of the watch, it has the PADI logo. And when it comes to the colors of blue and red, it's not just because it's trying to look like, another, Pepsi-looking watch, but the blue and red are actually the colors of PADI. And same goes with the black face of the piece. Everything taken together, the blue, the red, the black face, the screw down crown on the 4 o'clock position, the oversized indices, and the markers really gives it a sporty, strong vibe. Now, I did mention that I like seeing and feeling this watch on my wrist, and that's because of the size. This one is 45 mil in diameter, which is perfect for my 8-inch wrist. Now, obviously, some people would rather have smaller pieces, and that's fine. If you have like a 6 to 7-inch wrist, I would understand why you would, feel a bit apprehensive about getting a Seiko Sumo. But for those who are a bit more, who have thicker wrists, I think this is like a really nice watch to get. Now, other features include a sapphire crystal, which makes it scratch resistant. And then, of course, you have the movement. This one uses the 6R35 caliber, which is the ultimate workhorse medium budget movement of automatic movement of Seiko. It gives you 70 hours of power reserve, so you can pretty much use it as an everyday watch. It also has 24 jewels, a day-date display, and a stop second hands function. Add to that the 200 meters water resistance, and then you have a really nice durable workhorse everyday sporty watch. By the way, one more thing I like about Seiko Sumo watches is the bracelet. They just give you a really luxurious vibe, and then you have the 2-fold or 3-fold clasp thing that they have going, and overall it really has a nice build. Now, obviously, with the PADI partnership, this particular watch would be more appealing to divers, both maybe professionals and hobbyists, or people who always find themselves at sea. I really feel that overall, because of the build, because of the movement, because of the overall style, it transcends that, and it can be a perfect everyday workhorse watch for anybody who's looking for a slightly chunky but still slim piece that they can wear on their wrist. Oh, and before I forget, to those who love lume on their watches, this has a generous amount to it, and it is super legible even in the dark. If you guys want one, I believe that it sells for a little over 30,000 pesos. You can check out all the different Seiko boutiques or the Seiko distributors around the country. In dollars, that's roughly around 600 to 700 US dollars. Are you guys Seiko Sumo fans as well? If you are, please do let me know in the comment section what is your favorite Seiko Sumo timepiece. I would love to hear from all of you because I am, again, collecting Seiko Sumo pieces. So I'd probably go through some of the comments and take a look at the models that you guys are referencing to and probably check them out as well. So again, what are your favorite Seiko Sumo watches? Let me know in the comment section. And if you're, new to this, what do you think of this particular piece? Let me know in the comment section as well. Guys, that's actually it for my very quick video for today. I hope you're all doing fine. Watch out for my next watch unboxing coming later this week. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.